How to fix Vanilla gift card decline 2025 method. If your Vanilla gift card has ever been declined at the register or online, you know how frustrating it can be. Most people panic or assume the card is invalid, but the truth is that there are several common issues that can cause a decline, and almost all of them are fixable. In 2025, there's a straightforward method to troubleshoot and fix a Vanilla gift card that's been declined, and today we're going to break it down step by step so you can get back to shopping without stress. First, let's understand why a Vanilla gift card might be declined. The most common reasons include insufficient funds, incorrect entry of card information, activation issues, and restrictions with the merchant, There are also less common issues like regional restrictions, expired cards, or temporary holds placed by the card issuer for security reasons. Knowing the exact reason is the key to fixing the problem efficiently. Step 1 is to check your balance, Many declines occur simply because the card doesn't have enough funds to cover the transaction. In 2025, you can check your Vanilla gift card balance online at the official Vanilla website or by calling the customer service number on the back of your card. When checking online, make sure you enter the full card number and the 3-digit CVV code if required. If you see that the balance is lower than expected, it might indicate previous transactions or holds that you forgot about. Once you know your balance, you'll have a clear picture of whether the decline is due to insufficient funds. Step 2 is verify that the card is activated, Vanilla gift cards purchased in store must be activated at the point of sale, and sometimes this step is skipped or delayed. If your card isn't activated, it will always be declined. To fix this, contact Vanilla customer service or the retailer where you bought the card to confirm activation. In most cases, they can activate it remotely if there was a mistake during the purchase. Step 3 is enter the card information correctly, Many online declines are simply due to typos. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and CVV code are entered exactly as shown on the card. Some sites also require the billing zip code associated with the card. For Vanilla gift cards, this is often the zip code you registered when activating the card online. If you skip the zip code step, many payment processors will decline the transaction for security reasons. Double-check every digit, as even one mistake can cause a decline. Step 4 is split the payment if needed, Vanilla gift cards have a fixed balance, and some transactions may exceed that balance. In 2025, many retailers allow you to use multiple payment methods in a single transaction. If your purchase exceeds the card balance, try using the Vanilla card for part of the payment and a debit or credit card for the remaining amount. This simple trick solves many declines at checkout. Step 5 is register the card online, Vanilla gift cards now come with online registration options that link the card to a billing address. Many e-commerce sites require this step for verification. To register, visit the Vanilla website, enter your card number, and assign a billing zip code. Once registered, the card is much less likely to be declined because the payment processor can verify the card against the zip code. Step 6 is contact Vanilla customer service, If none of the previous steps work, there may be a hold or temporary restriction on your card. In 2025, Vanilla's customer support is available via phone or online chat, and they can often resolve issues immediately. They can confirm the card status, release holds, and provide guidance for specific merchants if your card is being declined consistently. Step 7 is to consider merchant restrictions, Some retailers or websites may not accept prepaid cards, including Vanilla cards, for certain transactions. Common examples include gas stations, utility bills, and subscription services. If your card is declined repeatedly at a specific merchant, try using it at a different store or online site. You may also combine it with another payment method if the site allows split payments. Another tip is avoid international transactions, if the card isn't enabled for international use. Vanilla gift cards are typically intended for use within the country of purchase. If you're trying to use it for cross-border purchases, the transaction may be declined automatically. In this case, consider using a domestic shipping or billing address to complete the purchase. Many people also overlook the expiration date and fees, Vanilla gift cards generally have a long expiration date, but some promotional cards may have shorter validity. Check the expiration date on the card And also be aware of inactivity fees that reduce the balance over time. If a card has been inactive for months, the decline may simply be because the available balance has dropped below the purchase amount. Checking your balance and recent activity can help identify this. For those who like mobile wallets in 2025, many users are linking vanilla gift cards to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. This can reduce declines because the digital wallet securely transmits your card information. Make sure to register the card properly in the wallet and use it in-app or contactless in store. A common misconception is that declines are permanent Many users assume that once a card is declined, it can't be used again. The truth is that most declines are temporary and related to verification or insufficient funds. Following the steps above, checking balance, registration, proper entry, and contacting support will resolve the issue in the majority of cases. Let's go over a quick troubleshooting checklist for 2025. 1. Verify card balance online or by phone. 2. Confirm the card is activated. 3. Double-check the card number, CVV, expiration date, and billing zip code. 4. Split payment if purchase exceeds card balance. 5. Register the card online to link a billing zip code. 6. Contact Vanilla customer service for holds or restrictions. 7. Ensure the merchant accepts prepaid cards. 8. Avoid international transactions if the card isn't enabled for them. 9. Check for expiration and inactivity fees. 10. Consider adding the card to a mobile wallet for smoother transactions. By following these steps carefully, most users are able to fix a declined vanilla gift card within minutes. Whether you're shopping online, in store, or using a mobile wallet, the key is to systematically troubleshoot and apply each of these methods. Finally, a tip for preventing declines in the future. Always register your vanilla gift card immediately after purchase. Track your balance regularly, and be mindful of the purchase amount relative to your card's balance. If you do this, you'll rarely encounter declines, and you'll have a much smoother shopping experience. In conclusion, a vanilla gift card decline is not the end of the world. Most declines are due to simple, fixable issues like balance, activation, or incorrect entry. Using the 2025 method, checking your balance, registering your card, entering information correctly, and contacting support if necessary will ensure that you can use your vanilla gift card reliably and efficiently for all your purchases. With these steps, you can finally take the frustration out of declined gift cards and enjoy the convenience of your prepaid vanilla card. Whether it's groceries, gifts, or everyday purchases, you'll now have a clear, actionable method to solve the problem immediately.